Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create alignments in the ESurvey Water Distribution Software. Once you import all the data to ESurvey Water Distribution Interface, then you need to configure the software for creating alignments. In the Water Distribution tab, click on the Generate button. The Alignment Type window opens. Here, you need to do settings for the alignment category based on pipe dia, then click on the Save button to save the settings and then click on Generate button. Now, the application has generated alignments with a unique name. If you want to modify created alignment, then you need to export plan drawing to CAD package. These alignments are created automatically using the algorithm. However, in case if you want to change alignment manually, then export the drawing to CAD package. In CAD package, you edit all the alignment which will be in PL layer. You can edit alignments without adding a new pipe. You can merge two alignments as one or split an existing alignment. You cannot add a new pipe at this stage. In case if you want to add a new pipe or node details, then you need to import the pipe details and node details as explained in earlier topic. Run ATWD command to attach water distribution line name to the polyline. Select the water distribution line and type the alignment name. Run AT command to attach water distribution line type. Select the water distribution line and then enter the alignment type 0 for main, 1 for submain, 2 for distributary A, 3 for distributary B, or 4 for distributary C. The water distribution line type will be attached to the polyline as shown. To attach the water distribution process sequence, run the ATPS command. Select the water distribution line and then enter the process sequence. The water distribution process sequence is attached as shown. Run RDWD command to read the attached network name from the selected polyline. Select the water distribution line and then enter the polyline information like alignment name, alignment type, and process sequence. The attached network name is obtained from the selected polyline as shown. Next, to mark names for water distribution network lines, run MRWD command. Select alignment lines for marking. Select water network polylines in layer PL and mark names. Run FDWD command to find the duplicate water distribution network line names. Select water network polylines in layer PL to find the duplicate water distribution network line. To find the water distribution network line from its name, run FNWD command, type the water line name which you want to find and select the alignment. Run ATND command to attach a node name to the circle. Select the node and enter the node name. The node name is attached to the circle as shown. To read a node name from a circle, run RDND command. Select the node and type the node name to read the node name from a circle. Run FDND command to find the duplicate node name. Select the node circles to find duplicate node names. To find the node from its name in the drawing, run FNND command. Type the node number which you want to find. Select the water distribution nodes to find the node from its name. Export alignments from the drawing using EXWD command. To import edited alignment, click on the Import button and import edited alignment details. To edit alignment information about a specific alignment, select the alignment under Alignments tab and click the Edit button. In the window that opens, you can edit the alignment details like type, pipe type, or calculation. Click Update after editing the alignment details and close the window. To filter pipe and node name, click Filter button and in the window that opens, click Pipe Name. Enter the pipe name and click the Apply button. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you have learned how to create alignments in the ESurvey Water Distribution Software. In the next video, you will learn how to map road alignments to water distribution alignment line.